Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 7 best backpacking tents under $100, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 7 backpacking tents under $100. Number 1. ALPS Lynx One-Person Tent. ALPS Mountaineering opened up shop in 1993 with one goal: to manufacture high-performance outdoors products without a premium price tag. Whether you're looking for a tent, sleeping bag, camp furniture, or backpack, these guys produce durable, reliable products for a fair price. Even better, they back all of their products with an industry-leading lifetime guarantee. The ALPS Lynx One-Person Tent is the best freestanding solo backpacking tent you'll find for less than $100. The freestanding design gives you extra headroom, and there's plenty of storage space between the gear loft and vestibule. True to ALPS Mountaineering's promise of durable products, the 7000 series aluminum poles, 75D 185D polyester fabric, 2000 mm factory sealed seams, and 1500 mm UV coating guarantee you'll be protected from the elements for years to come. Number 2. ALPS Mystique 1.5. The ALPS Mystique 1.5 is our favorite backpacking tent for solo getaways, or group outings where you don't want to share a tent with your odorous friends. It's a 2-pole, non-freestanding design, and at 4 pounds 15 ounces it's the lightest tent that ALPS Mountaineering offers. The primary benefit of going with the ALPS Mystique 1.5 over the ALPS Lynx One-Person is the storage space. As a 1.5-person tent, you'll have an extra 5 square feet of floor space inside the tent for gear storage, and an extra 3 square feet of space in the vestibule. Number 3. Winterial Single-Person Tent. Before we dive into the next 3 options, let's talk about the difference between a tent and a bivy sack. While tents are generally preferable for floor space, storage, and headroom, they can be a little bulky when it comes to backpacking and mountaineering. Instead, solo backpackers who are looking to slim down their pack often turn to a bivouac, bivy, sack, a small, one-person waterproof shelter offering just enough room to sleep in. You'll have to sacrifice headspace and storage space, but they're an ideal solution for minimalist backpackers who want to keep their pack as light as possible. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. Number 4. Eureka Solitaire. Eureka has been crafting quality outdoor products since 1895. From its humble beginnings manufacturing canvas wagon covers, horse blankets, and canvas storefront awnings, the company ultimately grew to become the industry leader in custom tents. In fact, Eureka tents have been used on countless Everest expeditions since the 1960s, including the 1999 and 2001 Simonson research expeditions that discovered the fate of legendary explorers George Mallory and Andrew Irvine. When you're ready to invest in a high-end backpacking tent down the road, we'd highly recommend checking out the premium options offered by Eureka. Number 5. Outdoor Research Bug Bivy. It doesn't offer any protection from the rain, but the no-see mesh will keep the bugs off of you at night, and the waterproof Hydro-Seal floor will keep the morning dew from soaking your sack in the morning. It's a piece of cake to set up with the Delrin single-pole system, and it's light enough that you may forget you're carrying it when it's strapped to your pack. While the other backpacking tents we've discussed are solid 3-season tents, spring, summer, and fall, the Outdoor Research Bug Bivy is strictly a summer tent. As the tent doesn't come with a rainfly, you'll also be limited to fair weather trips. Number 6. Kelty Salida 2-Person Tent. The Kelty Salida 2-Person Tent is the perfect choice for backpacking couples. In fact, it's the only reputable 2-person backpacking tent you're going to find for under $100, as most backpacking tents in this price range are 1-person tents. One of the nights we stayed in it, it poured down and not a single drop of water came in, says Leon Jones. Definitely a good tent for the price. Update: Kelty recently increased the price of this tent, and we're currently researching alternatives under $100. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. Number 7. REI Co-op Passage 1 Tent. For those of you with wiggle room in your budget, the REI Co-op Passage 1 Tent is a stretch option that's worth the small extra investment. Where this tent excels is in the quality of its materials and construction. With 7000 series aluminum poles, an aluminum hub, superior seam sealing for the floor and rain fly, and a Noack welded construction that keeps moisture from soaking through the zippers, pull wraps, and guyot points. The tent also includes fully adjustable, high-level vents designed to reduce condensation by drawing cool air onto the fly from the lower perimeter while expelling any warm, moist air from the interior. So these are the best backpacking tents under $100, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other packable backpacking tents under $100, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.